In this video, I will show you a chicken pâté recipe. The ingredients will be listed in the description. To start making the pâté, you will need to cook the chicken for about 30 minutes on medium-high heat with boiled water. Before adding the water, add some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some dried bay leaves to the chicken and follow by adding the water. Proceed by turning the heat to medium-high and wait for 30 minutes before checking if the chicken is completely cooked. If not, keep it for an additional 10 minutes or until it's completely cooked. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and shred it. Next step is to fry the chicken slightly and add all the seasonings. First, drizzle some olive oil into a pan and pour the chicken after. Fry it for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat and then add about 1 1/2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix all the ingredients well. After mixing, add almost the whole pack of single cream, leaving a little bit left to add after. Mix, mix, mix. Now add the remaining cream and mix once again. Some tomato puree, some mayonnaise, and mix. Add some salt, and if you'd like, add some more of the seasoning if you'd like to. Now add about a teaspoon of garlic paste. Add your spring onions to the mix. Mix it all well. Transfer it to a bowl and voila, all done. You can top it with some oregano if you like. Now you can enjoy your chicken pâté.